Welcome back, broskies. It is cold out. It's 15 degrees, but it feels like 9. The wind is blowing. Oh, it's brutal. Before we get started, in the comments, tell me where you're from and how cold it is. Holy mackerel. And look at the snow. Holy mackerel. It's frozen like a rock. I should have shoveled it while it wasn't frozen. So, 2004 Jaguar. My wife loves it, but the engine light was on and I couldn't get the engine light to go off. Every time I thought I fixed it, I took it for a ride, it went into limp mode. I'm like, oh Lord have mercy. So I have a buddy that works at a shop. He's got the right tool to plug it in. He plugs it in and he says the driver's side bank, it's saying all of the coil packs or plugs or both are not working. Something's going on intermittently. The way this car is designed, the whole bank shows bad when only one is bad. He says, so really what needs to happen is all of the coil packs and plugs should just be changed, and you have to take the whole top of the motor apart. The plenum has to come off, and the gasket's got to be replaced. So it's a bit of a job. After that was all said and done, she's running beautiful. But it takes days for this thing to run through the cycles so that it can get inspected. So that's where we're at. We've been driving it. The light's not coming on. This is how she starts when it's ice cold. Nice. None of the lights go on. All the lights are off. The brake light's on until you put it in drive and get going, but all the lights are off. There's no lights. So now the Jaguar's good and the happy wife is a happy life.